Welcome YouTube and welcome travelers to yet another video, and this time I want to talk a little bit about the equipment or the gear that I use on most of my videos, as I received a couple of requests from you. So this is going to be just an overall video about the equipment used. I'm not going to go into any technical details or anything like that. But if you want to see videos like that in the future, please let me know down in the comments and I can make some of those. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far. It would be much appreciated. So let's kick on with this video. And the first thing that I would like to talk about is my GoPro camera, as I'm using this camera a lot on pretty much most of my videos. It is, as you know, small, compact, image is really good, stabilization is amazing, so it's really versatile camera. This is Hero 11 that I'm currently using with the media mod because I can use the better audio on it, and I'm using this GoPro grip, which is also the battery and the small tripod. It's really handy to have that. It gives you a lot of battery hours. So, and yeah, I have a 512 SD card in it, which gives me a lot of hours of recording. So yeah, all of the videos that includes any kind of water activities, this is what's been used. And the next piece of equipment that I would like to talk about is my, let's call it a main camera, and it is a Sony FX30. Now this is a way more expensive setup, but it is more professional. It will give you better image quality, more flexibility in that post-production. So let me just talk you through what kind of a rig I have here. As I mentioned, FX30 with the tilt cage. Also, I'm using the Atomos Ninja V Plus screen and recorder that records on the Andesine SSD 2 terabyte card. On this side, I have a Sennheiser MKE 200 microphone. And also I'm using a DJI wireless mic in some cases, and at this time it is paired with the Sony G lens 18-105 f4, and at the front I have Peter's ND filter. As I said, it is really convenient, handy for any kind of a run and gun shooting. It is expensive, but it gives you a lot of flexibility. As this is a power zoom lens, for example, you can really make that shot as the way as you want it. The only downside to this lens is in f4, so in the low light situations it's not going to be perfect. In that case, I'm using the Sigma lenses, which are 1.4. And the next piece of the equipment that I would like to talk about is our trusty phones. And in this instance, I am filming this video on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And here I have iPhone 15 Pro. Which I'm going to make some videos in week or two. We are going to Dubai, so I will have some special videos that are being recorded only with the iPhones. So stick around to look at that video. So I'm not going to talk about too much on the specs on the iPhones or any other phones. I just want to say that these are the really important part of our gear, and if you are just starting with your YouTube channel or with your travel videos, invest first money in a good phone, whether it's that iPhone, Samsung, or any other phone with a good camera. I think that's more important than any other gear, because you have that phone always on you and it's just so easy to take it out, have those videos, The image quality is amazing, the stabilization is really good. So yeah, a big plus on these, and as I said, this should be your first piece of equipment to buy. Regarding all the aerial shots that you can see on my videos, I used to do those with my Mini 2 DJI drone. Mini 2, it's really reliable, small, portable, handy drone to use. However, now it's a little bit old, couple of years old, so I upgraded to the newer version and I took Mini 4 Pro. I just got it a couple of weeks ago. So again, I will be testing it thoroughly in Dubai, and I will also post a couple of videos with the drone shots from the Mini 4 Pro only. So please check those videos soon. And also this one is way better than my previous Mini 2. The camera is more powerful, the obstacle avoidance, and still it's 249 grams, 30-40 minutes of flight time. Really amazing, amazing small drone, so portable. You can fold it, put it in your pocket, in your backpack, and off you go to have some amazing travel videos. So yeah, these are pretty much my basic gear that I'm using across all of my videos. Of course, they are changing, I'm upgrading, I'm changing the models if they come out with the better options, but that's not like necessary to have a good travel video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't so far. If you have any kind of comments, please leave them down below. Until next video, bye bye.